Okay, in the last video we have used some tricky something for TypeScript, like we used record. So record is basically a utility type. We need to understand that. And another thing we used is a exclamation sign. This is the type assertion, and this is the TypeScript utility types. So why I use it, you can go over here, record. This is the utility types. You see, this is the utility types of TypeScript. You can read thoroughly. This is the record key types. So what it is doing actually, so record string allows you to dynamically update any fields of update fields without worrying about type mismatch. So it is all about TypeScript, and exclamation mark is the non null assertion operator that tells TypeScript that you are confident about product photo, not null or undefined. So this is the type assertion. So we are telling TypeScript that we know better than you, and this record is the utility type. Both those things are based on TypeScript, and I wanna show test this route by Postman, and I wanna show you that we have created a variable for record. Where is the variable? Yeah, yes, this is updated fields. Okay, and what's the data we are getting? Let's see. So we want to update Node.js. So update it, say update it. Okay, and we want to update, say it's on 50. And if I update the image, previous one will be deleted. Okay, so it should be, I'm changing some random 340, price say $407. Okay, let's run the API. So it's updated. You see, Node.js is updated, and we got all the values. And you see, in the I have console log in the update. Every time it is updating. So if we have some changes, it is updating. You see, name Node.js updated, price 407, stock 15, category. So category is wrong. So I want to show you once again. Fresh start. Category means category should be book, right? It should not be number. Okay, so we want to update once again. Let's see, our server is started. Yes, it's started. So yeah, right now we got the book, category book. Okay, so what we are getting over here, so these things are doing what product.name, we are getting name by the request body, by the name, price, stock, and category. So initially it is getting the product name, and it is coming from request body, and later it is updating the updated fields. Okay, and how the value are changing, you are getting in the updated fields. I am console logging updated fields. Okay, you can see it by console logging to have a great understanding or deep understanding. If you don't understand, so it will not give you any value. Okay, so you should console log. You should ask, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. And the two tricky parts, one is record and another is exclamation marks. This is all about TypeScript. So this is the type assertion. We are telling TypeScript that we are no better than you. And for record, it's the utility type. Sometimes it is getting string and any. So here is the explanation. So record string, it defines updated fields on object with the string keys and values of any type. It is used to dynamically build an object containing only an updated field. So what we are getting, like we are getting name, price, stock, category, photo. Okay, so string, and any type, we are getting any type. It could be any kind of string, number, boolean, any type of value. Okay, so string and value. So it has the explanation, and this is all about TypeScript, and our API is working. So let's do another thing. Get all products. This is Node.js. We have two products, and if you run, see, you will get the change over here. Change is reflected over here. So it's now React.js. So we want to update it. So take the product ID as a request params. So this is React.js. React.js updated, and we want to React.js. Okay, this book. Okay, so previous image will be deleted and it will be updated. Something went wrong. File type is not allowed. Oh yeah, our validation is working. File type is GIF. Okay, so it's not allowed. We need to change the file type. Okay, we are giving that. Our It's a good sign that our validation is working. Okay, so React.js updated. So by this way, we are testing our API. That API is working, and I have the explanation or the mysterious code I have used over here, and you see updated fields. So we are storing data primarily in the updated fields, and it's dynamically getting the values. So this is for TypeScript. Okay, so if you wanna know more about utility types, you can go over here and read the documents thoroughly. Okay, you can watch the video. Anything else? Okay, thank you very much. In the next video, we'll create another API for deleting our products or anything else. Okay, see you soon. Hello, now it's time to delete product. Create the delete product functionality. Okay, so let's go to the, is it recording? Yes. So controller types routes product. We have the delete product functionality, but no problem. First of all, we create the we will create the delete functionality, then we'll create the route. Okay, export const delete product. Okay, and we need try guess sync request response next. Okay, and what we need const product. So delete the product, we need the product. So await, we'll get it from product model, find by ID. Okay, and it will come from request dot params dot id. If you have confusion, you can console log the product. Console dot log product. Okay, so if no product, then we will return next new error handler product not found. and we'll give error code 404 not found. Okay, so we need rm. Can you tell me why rm is needed? Product dot photo and give a type assertion. Console.log product photo deleted. So it's a quiz for you. So why we are using rm over here? So if you try to write it in the comment box. If not, I will tell you in the next video. Okay, so it's a quiz. Try to figure out why we are using rm over here. Okay, so product photo deleted. Okay, product photo deleted, and we need to delete the product. Okay, so await product and delete on. So finally we need to send the response. Okay, return dot res the dot status 200 dot json success true, and we need to give a message. Sorry, we do not return dot message, not return message, return response, and message equal to product deleted successfully, product deleted successfully. Okay, so we can use console log over here. Let's see in the request param what we are getting. So now it's time to create the routes, and in our postman we can check the routes. Okay, so this is our postman, and let's create the route over here, and route dot delete. We need individual id because we want to delete one by one product id. So to delete a product, we need the admin functionality, require sign in is admin, and delete product. What's his name? Delete 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 product. So come over here and give a comma and delete product, and write it over here. It will come from the controller. I hope all error will gone. And now we need npm start. Not only that, along with npm run was, otherwise you will not see the changes over here. Okay, let's go and try to delete the product. So update product, we are copying it, delete product. Okay, so for delete product, what we need the, so see the route, we need id, just id, nothing else. Okay, so 083, it will be deleted, and we should change it to delete and save it. And let's see 2083. What's the name of this product? Get product, get all products. Okay, get all products. 2083. Its name is Node.js updated. Okay, 2083. So in the, if we come over here once again, I will not find this product because this product will be deleted. Okay, so let's go and delete product. Yeah, product deleted successfully. So if you come over here once again, Node.js is not there. Right now we have only on product. And if you go to the database, you will also see the same. So we have no Node.js, we have only on product. So our everything is working just fine. So this is our route, delete product. This is our controller. So there is a quiz for you. You will let me know and try to figure out why RM. I have used RM over here. Okay, so if you fail to answer my question or quiz, I will tell you in the next video. Okay, so let me know. Okay, this is a quiz for you. Okay, no more today. In the next video, we will create the shop page functionality with filtering. Okay, so see you soon. Hello, welcome back. Now it's time to create the this section. You see this section. Okay, we want to create this section. If we want search by node, we'll get the product, node related product. Okay, if we search say was, we'll get was related product. Even simple hints, slightest hint will give you the result also. And we can search by ascending or descending order. Okay, so we can search by categories, and we can search by price also. So if we search by category, less than or equal, I mean less than or equal 912, it will not show you product which is more than 900. Okay, more than 900, around 1000. Okay, so if we always it will show product less than or equal 1021. Okay, whatever the result over here, less than or equal, keep it in mind. So we can sort by ascending, descending, we can sort by category, we can search the product. So we are going to create this functionality. So I have written the functionality for you. You see, this is the route, get latest, get all products. This is the route, and I have created the controller for you. So as I have written it is because it is more important to make you understand what I have written over here rather than writing codes by consuming times. So I have the explanation, all the tricky codes over here. Here is the explanation. I will go every detail. You see what I have used over here. Okay, this is the explanation. So if you don't understand that will make you crystal clear of everything. So first of all, what we are using, we are creating a function get all products with filters. Okay, so by this code we will get this output, okay. Okay, so we are extending request. Three parameters are empty, and last one is search request query, and I have given the type definition over here. You need to have a type folder over here, and for TypeScript, as it is a TypeScript project, you have to give the type definition. So we are taking source string, price string, category string, sort string, page string. Okay, Okay, this definition, and another definition is base query. Base query regex string, option string, price less than or equal number, category string. Okay, so how can you understand that for request you need 3 or 4 parameters? If you can examine this, you can go to the node modules and go to the type definitions and express server static. Yeah, you can go over here, and in the line number, or we can search by request. Oh, this is the request. Okay, so these parameters are needed. So first of all, we are making it empty, these on empty, these on empty, and we are past QS, we are expanding this one, we are using this one. So if you want to deep dive from where we are getting the request parameters, so request is coming from the types. Okay, this is for especially for TypeScript, these things are needed. So you can come over here, and what you are doing over here, you can understand that this is the first parameter we are keeping empty, second parameter empty, third parameter empty, and fourth parameter we are using search query. Okay, and we are getting search sort category price as request query, like that way we are getting request query. So if we search by say all, and we need to question mark and search say Node.js or React.js, React. Yeah, we got the React. So if nothing is there, say electronic, we got no answer. Okay, total page 0. So this is the search query. It will come like that as a key search. Okay, I will come here a little bit later. So this is the search query. After question marks, what you are giving, this is the request query. Okay, so we are getting search sort category price from there, and this is the page number. By default it is 1. How many pages? You see the page, this is the number of pages, 1, 2. So this is the number of pages, 2 previous. So in the first page we are getting 6, 1 2 3 4 6. We are keeping 4 over here. So page number limit by default 4 if we set the parameter, otherwise it will take 4, and we will skip. You have the explanation. What skip is over here, you see this is skip. Say this is the code, skip page -1 equal to limit. In the first page it will skip 0. Why it is 0? Because if the page is 1, limit is 4. So this is the okay. So skip page 1 -1, it is becoming 0 into 4. So first page it will, for first page this equation work. Okay, it will skip 0. For second page it will skip 2 -1, it will skip 4. So if you come over here and have a closed loop, you will understand everything. In the second page it will skip 4 products, and it will start from 5, 6, 7, 8. In the third page it will skip 8. It will start from 9. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12 products. In the fourth page it will skip 12. It will start from 13. Okay, 13, 14, like that way. So this is for pagination, especially this is for pagination. So I have the explanation. If you come over here and try to understand by pausing the video or repeating the video, I hope you will you will get a crystal clear view. Okay, so this is skip, and we are declaring a variable, and for base query this is for TypeScript, and we have the type definition over here, as we are going to use regex. Regex for this portion, say if I give slightest hint, say no n or not, it will give you the no, where it will get no. You see, no is here, no is here, so it will give you result. That is doing the regex and option and price and category. Okay, and we are using I means case insensitive. It will capital or non-capital words will work. So if I say no, it will also work. If I say no, it will also work. This is the activity of I. Okay, and price. So from where we get base query dot name, base query dot price, we are getting it from here. Base query dot name, base query dot price, base query dot category. Okay, so if we have price, this is the MongoDB function, less than or equal. Say it price should be less than or equal 100, not 105 or 101. It will not work. Okay, it should be less than or equal. And if we have category, then it will be the category. And for product promise, we are taking all the promise in on place. So it has the explanation also what we are doing over here. You see, this is the promise, promise all. So promise all, product find query. This is create a promise that resolves when all promise inside the array and the result of product are resolved. So it will give you the result when this promise resolved and when this promise, both promise are resolved, then it will give you answer and keep it into separate variables, and it has been destructured. So promise all, product promise, and product, this line creates a promise that resolves when all promise inside array, product promise and product find base query are resolved. When these two things are resolved, this will give you result. Okay, a result. In other words, it will wait for MongoDB queries to complete. So this is asynchronous operation. So the result are then destructured into separate variables. So we are keeping these things in two variables. Okay, so this is done, and we need another explanation. Total page. So how total page is doing? So total page is, say we have 17 products. So how total, we are using math ceiling, a default JavaScript function, is because if you have 4.5, it will give you the nearest number 5. Okay, so let's say you have 7 metric filter, you can 4 products. Okay, filter products length 7, limit 4. So if you do this math, 17 by 4, you are getting 4.25. So math ceiling will make it 5. So in this example, total page will 5, meaning you have 5 pages display 17 products with 4 products per page, and the last product have 1. I hope that will make sense. Say you have 17 products, so it means 4 products are here, 8 products are here, 12 products are here, 16 products are here, and in the last one it will have 1. Total 17 price. Okay, this is 1. So this way. Okay, okay, so I gave you all the explanation, the tricky codes we are using here. And if you want to understand the request clearly, you should come node modules. I'm saying once again to the type declaration, node modules types. I have forgotten where I have. There is the types, Express server static, and you should come here. Okay, line number 385. So it has the parameters, you have to satisfy them if you want to work with TypeScript. I hope that will make sense. Now go to the Postman. Okay, so search, if you give arbitrary something, we will not get result. So if we write Node.js, we will get the result. You see, this is Node.js. So if we wanna use two arguments like node and price equal to less than or equal, say 10, what do you think? Will we find any result? Because we have two products over here and none of them are above 10, so we will not get any result. Why it is taking too much time? Maybe internet connection disrupted. So we are not getting any result. It's because for internet connection, the result took time to come. So we have nodes, but we don't, this condition has not been satisfied. Is because we don't have any product which is less than or equal 10. But if we use it 100 over here, I hope we will get the result, because it is 50, that is less than or equal 100. So if we just wanna use the price only, we are getting one result. But if we wanna use 1000, we will get two results. Okay, because both are below or equal 1000. That's why you are getting result. Price 50, price 407. Okay, so it's giving results. So we can search it by ascending or descending order. Sort ascending. Yeah, ascending means from lowest to highest. Okay, so another thing we need to make you understand, that is this portion. Okay, sort, how it is sorting. So I have the explanation for that. Sorting works. Yeah, this is the sorting. So this line is saying that no sorting if sort is not provided. So if we don't provide any sort, it will not work. Okay, that's why this has been used. It will not work. So I am taking the laser. Okay, so no sorting. If sort is not provided, the query parameter, the sorting is not applied to all. Okay, so ascending order, if we provide sort and if we write ascending, it will sorted price in ascending order. 1 plus 1 means ascending order, minus 1 means descending order. So if we sort any product descending, the result will be sorted by price in descending order. So let's try both things. So we are providing sort, that's why this code will work. Sort ascending, it is working ascending order. I have shown you. Ascending means top to lower to high. So now sort product based on descending order, DESC. So see the result, we are getting lower to high. Okay, low to high. Now we will get vice versa, reverse. Now you see high to low. Okay, so this is ascending and descending. So we can use the parameter in another way. Sort price, we can use page. Say page, we have only one page. You see, we have only one page, but if we search for two pages, we will not get any result. No result. If we use one, we will get result. Okay, So every functionality is working, and I have give you the explanation. If you come over here and try to understand, I hope this code will become very clear to you. Even though if you don't understand, hit the comment, shoot the comment in the comment box or question box, and I will make you understand. Try my level best to make you understand. But I think if you have gone through, skimmed through this area, I think everything will be crystal clear. So I have given you a detailed explanation, okay? And I have tested my routes through the postman. Okay, so no more today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you. So welcome once again. Now it's time to create the order routes. Okay, so in the route folder, create a new folder name order.ts. Okay, so in the order route, and before that we need to create it from server. Order and order routes. Order routes, okay, and we should bring order route, we should connect it. User routes, product routes, order routes. Import order routes from routes order. That is wrong. Routes order. Routes order. It is nothing. Okay, so we are coming later. So const router equal to express dot router. So import express. Let's see. Nothing is there, so need to import it manually. So import express from express, and we need to create some routes. Okay, so router dot post new order, new order, router dot post new new order. New orders. Okay, so router dot get, we need all orders. We need require sign in, require sign in is admin. Okay, we need all orders. So as we have no controller yet, so we are commenting it for the time being, and we need 3 or 4 more, and on for ID to get the single order. ID to get single order. Single order, okay, and we need ID another time to process order. process order, and we need another thing to delete order. Okay, so I think export default route. So we have now errors over here, order routes, okay. So I think everything is all right, as no errors are shown over here. So we have created all routes, and we will start working one by one and create the order controller. Okay, so order .ts. Okay, so from the next video we will create our first function, controller function for new orders. So we'll create the new orders, and before that we need to create the model over here, and that is order model. Okay. Okay, so in the next video we'll create order model, then controller, and then test our APIs. Okay, see you in the next video. So now it's time to create the model, and I have created the model, and I am making you understand what is happening over here. Actually, what is happening over here, you see, if we add some products, go to the shop page, add some product, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. Okay, we are adding some product. So if you go to the shop page, so actually from here our functionality will start. Okay, so we'll get subtotal, shipping charge, tax, discount, and checkout. This shipping page also come over here. Okay, so we wanna if you wanna see the structure, how the things will save in the database. So it will save as a so to make the code understand in a better way, this is a common trick or hack, is that if you see the UI or output what is happening by your code, so it will easy to have a good graphs or understand your code. So actually we want shipping info, and this code is responsible for shipping info. This is shipping info up to that place. Okay, shipping info, and we are getting shipping info from here. This is the shipping info. So go to the next portion, and then we have user subtotal. So user is not part of this schema. It will come as a reference. You can say it as a relationship in the relational database. You can say as a relation. Okay, so it will come from the user model. We have the user model over here, so it will come from the user model. So after that we will get user. After the shipping info we have user. You see, you have the user ID. Then we need subtotal. Then we need subtotal, tax, shipping charge, total. It will come from here. Subtotal, shipping charge, tax, discount. Okay, discount, total, and it will come total. This is the total. Okay, and then we have order. So after that user subtotal we have seen it, tax, shipping charge, discount, total, status. Status, it has the status also. You see, status is processing. By default it is processing, so we can change it later. And order item, and order item reference is product. It will come from the product model. Okay, so let's go to the order item. So in this order item, it will save as a array format, and you will get the products. What the products you have created, you are ordering. These items will be added here sequentially, 0 1 2 3, like that way. So this is order. So I hope you understand. If you understand that this model, what you need to see the UI, what is happening over here. You need to see the database model, and along with that you see the code. So first of all, we are getting the shipping info, then user, then subtotal, tax, shipping charges, discount. This will come from here. Okay, and then we need products details. Okay, so as we need product details, so as a reference it has the product. So this is the model. From the next video we'll create the controller function. That's why in our database these things will save like that way. So what the database I am showing you, this is the deployed version. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Okay, we will create the functionality. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, welcome back. Now it's time to create the new order functionality. Okay, so export const new order equal to try case sync request response next, and we need to, for TypeScript we need request it should come from Express, and it has several arguments. First argument we want to keep 0 empty, and in the third argument I have written the types over here. New order request body. You see, this is the shipping info, and this shipping definition will, TypeScript definition will come from here. I have user, subtotal, tax, shipping charge, and order items. So you will get the code. You can come here and see it. So new order request body. So new order request body, I'm getting it from TypeScript. So why I am using it? First two parameter is empty, and third one is new order request body. Can you remember, the previous video I told you that you should go to the types, Express server static, and you see we keep the first parameter empty, second empty, and third one is request body. And in the previous video we used request query. Okay, so you can come and see over here. Okay, so now we need something to get it from request body. Okay, const, what we need shipping info, we need order items, order items, we need user, we need subtotal, we need tax, we need shipping charges, we need discount. These things from the request body. Okay, discount, we need total, it should come from request body, request.body. So no errors. And excuse me, we have this type definition in the types section. If you come over here, you will see, and shipping info is over here. Okay, done. So we need some validation. So if no shipping info, or no shipping info, is there any typo? Okay, so if these things are in place, we wanna give some error message. Okay, maybe I have write it in the wrong place. It should be here. That's why it is giving the error. So if no shipping info, if no order items, or if no user, or if no subtotal, if no tax, if no total, then we wanna return a error message, return next new error handler, please enter all fields. Okay, so if anybody doesn't provide this information, we don't like to go ahead. Okay, so now const order, we need to create the order. Okay, const order equal to await from order model, and we need to create something. Okay, so order model will come from models order. Okay, done. So in the database, what we wanna send, so we want to send the things what we are getting from the request body. Okay, okay, shipping info, order item, user, subtotal, tax, shipping charges, discount, and total. Done. So we need to do another thing. So if anybody buy a product, we need to reduce the stock. Okay, so that's why we need to have a function await reduce stock, and I have already written it. I am showing you. So I need to give a parameter over here, and order stock or reduce stock. Okay, order item. So reduce stock, it will come from, you see, reduce stock. So if you have tough in understanding, let me know in the comment box. I will make you understand. So it will reduce the stock. Okay, it will reduce the quality. Sorry, quantity. So one by one, it will reduce the quantity. If one product is sold, say we have 20 products, one product it will give you 90. If another product sold, it will give 80. By descending order, it will give you the output. Okay, so if you don't understand, let me know. So now we need to have a response, send the response back. Okay, so return res dot status 201 dot json success true message order placed successfully. Okay, I hope we are done. So what I have done over here, so I am getting these things from the request body, shipping info, order item, user, what I show you in the previous video, that how we are getting the data in the database, and I also show you the UI. So you can match over here, come here and see my previous video also and have a good understanding. So these are the data we are sending to the database. Okay, so this is the order item, and if on product is purchased, will reduce the quantity. Okay, so these things are happening and it will save in the database. Okay, we are done. In the next video we will test our routes through the Postman. Okay, thank you, see you soon. Hello, now it's time to create the first order through Postman. Okay, so to create the order, first of all, what you need to our routes was commented, so uncomment this route and connect it with the controller. Okay, and we have created the functionality. And another thing you need that you need to come over here, login user, because we need user ID. So if you log in the user, you need this ID. Copy that ID and come to you, create your product, and in the user portion give the ID. You have to do this, otherwise you cannot your creation product will not be successful. And not only that, you need to do another thing, and that is all products. So which products you are ordering? You are ordering Node.js, right? So you need to bring the order ID, otherwise it will not work. So order ID. So here is the product ID. Sorry, order ID, not order ID, product ID. And along with that, you need the photo ID. This is the Node.js photo. Okay. Okay. There you need to copy this photo ID and keep it here. So no worries, when we will integrate React.js, it will come dynamically. But right now we are doing it manually as it is Postman. So now what we did, we bring the user ID, we bring product ID, and we bring photo compatible with our product. Okay. So say we are intentionally giving wrong product number, say what will happen? So product not found. So let's do it. So our validation is working. Okay, success true, order placed successfully. So our new order has been created, and I have what I have given over here. You will get the code and this code also, like these names like shipping info, subtotals, shipping charges, tax, discount, total, and everything. Okay, so you need to give shipping info subtotal, otherwise it will give error. You see, if you don't provide this portion like shipping info, it will throw a 200 error. No, it should be 400. Okay, if you don't provide shipping info, order item, user, subtotal, tax, total, it will throw error. So you have to provide it very carefully. So you are seeing what I have provided. You need to give your address, subtotal, shipping charge. So right now we are doing it manually, but when we integrate React in our front end, it will come automatically. And another thing I want to show you that, so our first order is created. So this is our first order. Okay, you see you can get the similarity, the image quantity too. And another thing I want to show you is that, so go to the product. Okay, products, and see how many stocks do we have right now. We have 64 stock. Okay, I am having a screenshot to make you understand. We have 64. Okay, we are marking, and let's go create another order. Now come to the MongoDB. You see 62 orders. So previously we have 64 order, now 62 order. So in our order it has 2. Quantity was 2. Quantity was 2. Okay, that's why 2 are reducing with every order. So it's reducing the stock. So our functionality is working. So our order creation is successful, and if we go to the order, we will see 2 orders over here. 3 orders, maybe 1, 3, 3 orders. Okay, no problem. So our order is, and you see this is the shipping info, this is the address. We are getting the user information. We can populate also. We can get the user name, email, and everything, and order items. This is the product info. So everything, we are getting everything. So our functionality is working. So I will give you everything. No worries. If you don't understand, comment in the question box. I will try my level best to make you understand. So thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.